Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your MacBook appears to be waking up from its sleep by itself. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up System Preferences down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Go ahead now and select the Energy Saver button. Where it says wake for Ethernet network access, go ahead and check mark to turn that off. If there's a lock icon down here, you may have to select it and then type in your password, and then you want to uncheck the option to wake for Ethernet, or it might say Wi-Fi in your case, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi network access. Go ahead and make sure that is unchecked. And then once you know what that, you can just close out of here, and then the change should take effect. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.